Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Steady, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a vlog style in nature, and the reason for that is I think it would be a good opportunity to tell you guys what Drive Steady is really all about. It's not just about reviewing cars or doing these charts that I've been putting up recently. We also like to wrench on cars, we like to build cars. So in today's video, I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce you to the new project car that Drive Steady is working on. You want a hint on what it is? Can you guess? Stick around and you'll find out. All right, so we're back at the body shop that has the project car for Drive Steady, and as you can see here in the background, this is our Shelby GT350. This is a 2017 Avalanche Gray. If you're wondering, if you haven't seen any of the other videos, I actually have a video on this, and the reason why I think the Shelby GT350 is probably one of the best sports cars you can buy for around $45,000. But that's not the topic of this video. So let's go inside and find out what the project car is. All right, here we go. Let's see where it is. I think there's an S63 here. This is a monster of a car here. Look at that, S63. There's an M4 right here. There she is. There it is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the project car is a Pontiac Trans Am. Alright guys, so this is the project car for Drive Steady, 1976 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, and you can see here this is primered now. We're kind of picking up this video after we've already done some work. The paint has been stripped, it's been primered, the alignment of the body panels has mostly been done, but not fully. There's still some work left. You can see the cool Ram air scoop there. I'll talk about the engine here in a second once I go all around. There's the front of the car. This is gonna look really mean. I don't want to give away what we're planning on doing, but I think this is gonna look really nice, and everybody, well, I think everybody will like it. I know we're gonna like it. We've got plans for it drawn out and written down, but like I said, it's primered at this point. I believe there's 6 coats of primer on this, if I'm not mistaken, and these are actually the wheels that were on it. I'm going to show some pictures of it up until this point, the progress that we've made, and you'll see that these wheels were on it, but we're definitely swapping these out. I believe the plan is to put on some classic industry snowflake wheels, I believe 17 or 18 inches. But here is the inside. You can see it is a automatic transmission. No plans for a manual swap at this time. But also the interior here is clearly fully gutted. There's nothing left in this thing, except for obviously you can see the steering wheel and some of the dash setup and the wiring. But yeah, this is completely gutted. And let me go out back so you can get a full view of everything. There we go. all primered, ready to go. All right, so just to give you an idea of what we're doing next, the next parts of the project, I believe we're gonna block this, sandpaper it down, make sure the surface is nice and smooth, and then probably apply another stage of primer, and then send it into the paint booth, most likely. Now, I'm not the technical expert here as far as things go. There are a couple members here at Drive Steady that work on the cars with us, and I will introduce them to you later on as these builds progress. But I think one of them you might have already met. His name is Joseph. I think he was in the Supercar Sunday video, the Corvette Supercar Sunday video we did. Let me lift up the hood here. Oh, look at that bad boy. So like I said, this is not done yet by any means, but this is an original block 400 Pontiac engine. I believe stock this car has 195 or 185 horsepower and roughly about 300 to 310 foot-pounds of torque. But that is not where this car will end up as far as final tally number goes. We've got some plans for this. You can see that this has a new intake manifold. We're also going to put a bigger cam, possibly an exhaust, for more free-flowing exhaust at least. And I don't know, what else do we got planned? I guess you're just going to have to stick around and find out what else we've got planned for the Trans Am engine. But you can see it's got all the right formulas, or I guess parts of the formula. You've got a big V8 engine that we will probably make more powerful. It's got the looks, and we've definitely got several things planned for it. Just for information's sake, this is not going to be kind of restore it to the way it was stock. This is going to be a Restomod, I guess, project, so to speak. So I'm definitely interested to see how it turns out. Excited more than anything else. So yeah, here are some of the other body parts that have been primered, as you can see here. And also there's another piece from the trunk, and the front and rear bumpers right here. You can see that some of the stuff here still needs a little bit of work, but for the most part these are nice and smooth, nice and straight. Some final touches will definitely need to be made, but that's the 76 Trans Am, guys. There it is. All right, guys, we're back outside. We're getting ready to head out, wrap this thing up. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the project car, I will be posting progress videos every now and again, so don't forget to check in and check those out. But as I mentioned earlier in the video, we started this thing maybe a couple months ago, so I'm going to post some of the pictures that I've taken showing the progress from the beginning up until this point. So check that out if you're interested. But thanks for watching. Until next time, drive steady.